Hi students, welcome. Now we are going to how to construct the as per the given conditions in projection of plane topic. So our question is a regular pentagonal lamina of 30 mm side rests on the ground on one of its corners with the sides containing the corner being equally inclined to the ground. The side opposite to the corner on which it rests and is inclined at 30° to VP and parallel to the HP. The surface of the pentagon makes 50° with the ground. Draw the top and front view of the pentagon. Clear? So this is the problem. So let us consider you draw XY reference. Clear? Now you draw one pentagon. So let us consider while tilting the pentagon, that is the tilting, the inclination makes inclined HP. Therefore, while tilting inclined HP, only one corner is rest. Total pentagon 5 corners are there, one of its corner. So therefore the corner, so you consider the corner you consider as left while tilting inclined HP. Therefore before tilting completely the pentagonal plane is resting on HP. Therefore the pentagon shape is clearly visible on top view. Therefore top view first. So here, so our pentagon is, you draw, this is the pentagon position. Clear? So this one. So the corner you consider as left side. This is A, B, C, D, E. Then you draw the projection line. So from A, this is B and C coincide, C and D coincide. So now you draw front view. So now before tilting the complete plane is resting on HP, therefore the front view is completely lies on XY. Clear? So now this one is A dash, this is B dash comma E dash, this is C dash comma D dash. Now once again read the problem in last line. The surface of the pentagon makes 50° with the ground. So in projection of planes, the plane makes an angle, that is the first inclination, then the side makes an angle. So in this problem the plane, the surface of pentagon makes 50°. Therefore you made 50° line inclined to HP or otherwise with the ground. So this is the first diagram, this is second diagram. We know that second and third both are same shape and size, only angle is different. So this is end A to B how much distance, this is B dash and also E dash. Next B to C how much distance, this is C dash and also D dash. Clear? Right. Then you project it from A dash, from B dash comma E dash, then from C dash comma D dash. So and here you draw the projection from E versus E, D and D, D and D, A and A, C and C, B and B. So this is the point. So A, B, C, D, E. Now you join A, B, C, D, everything. Clear? This one. So A, B, C, D, E, A. So it is one. So in this problem, once again we go through that. A regular pentagonal lamina of 30 mm side is rest on the ground on one of its corner. Corner A is resting on the ground with the side. So the corner A contains two sides, that is EA side and AB side. So corner A consists two sides, EA and AB. So that sides contain the corner being equally inclined to the ground. While tilting that plane, So EA and AB all are equally inclined, but not only that two sides, for all the sides all are same inclination. So now that conditions also is satisfied here. So now it is inclined to one plane. We get the fourth diagram, first, second, third and fourth diagram. Then we go for another inclination, the side opposite to the corner which its rest. So which corner is rest? Corner A is rest. So therefore corner A opposite side is CD. That means the CD, that side is opposite to the corner which is resting on the ground. So therefore CD. Now at present, after inclined to HP, now the CD is perpendicular to VP, perpendicular to VP. But we need the side opposite to the corner on which its rest on is inclined 30 degree to VP. Clear? The side CD now perpendicular, we want to tilt 30 degree inclined to VP. Clear? And parallel to the HP. So first you tilt 30 degree inclined to VP. So you draw 30 degree line inclined to VP. Now fourth diagram and fifth diagram both are same shape and size, we know that, but only difference here perpendicular to VP, here inclined to VP, same diagram. So you mark it, first thing C and D. So this is D point, C to D distance, how much you mark it, this is C point. After that, so CD, BE, A, that all lines, projection lines are parallel. So here, so how much distance, here to here how much distance, here to here how much distance, you measure it, and same parallel lines you mark it. Clear? All are, the distance are same but parallel. And next, so from D horizontal line, so here to here how much distance is there, same distance here to here also. So you mark it, here to here same, here to here. Clear? And next the A is lies midpoint of CD. So CD midpoint you project it here, this is point is A. Clear? So this is A, this one is B, C, D, this is E. Now you join all the points, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to A. Clear? Same diagram we made, 4 and 5 are same, perpendicular to VP is given angle 30 degree inclined to VP. Clear? After that, we know well, you draw the projections from fifth diagram, E, D, A, C and B. Clear? So you draw actual dimensions, whether that C projection and B projection may be left and right, it may be interchange. Okay, you draw exactly. For example, this is C, this is B, this is C, let us assume. Now you draw the projection lines from third diagram, C, D. Where is C? C dash. Where is D? D dash. Next B, E. So this is B dash, this is E dash, and A versus A, this is A dash. Clear? Now you join A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to A. Clear? This is the solution. So cross check our solution, where the corner, resting corner A, the corner opposite side is CD, the CD is as per the given condition is 30 degree inclined to VP and parallel to HP. You see that the edge CD is inclined 30 degree to VP and the CD is parallel to HP. Okay, HP ki parallel. So our condition is satisfied. So finally we get that sixth diagram and mention the dimensions as per the standard format. Thank you.